What's up, y'all? JSB the Creator. I'm back again with a new creation today for y'all.
Woo! It's showtime! Woo!
Today's creation, I'm gonna be customizing a quick pickup I had. It's gonna be a short video. It's something quick. I just picked up this pair of LeBron 18 Mbappe collab right here. Crazy. So the shoe has a lot of color shift going on. What I want to do is I want to add more color shift to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this upper with that Rust-Oleum color shift and basically call it a wrap on that. But I just want to give it that extra pop. Something quick, something simple, something easy. And if you got a pair of these and you want to do it, I can show you how to make it happen too. I don't like having my stuff look like your stuff, and you wouldn't want to have your stuff looking like somebody else's stuff. You want to have that uniqueness to it. So that's why I'm gonna hit mine with what I'm gonna hit mine with, because I want to have that separation for when I wear my pair and you wear your pair. So there's a difference, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit it with a little JSB flare. It's a beautiful day outside. It's hot. Well, it's kind of hot. It's bright, sunny, and perfect day to do some spray painting, man. Let's get into it. First things first, we're gonna take out the laces. Let's go. Now I'm gonna tape up the areas I do not want to get the color shift on. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna tape up the midsole and these little fly wire pillars or whatever, and just hit these panels with the color shift minus the tongue. But not the midsole, just these and this Nike check. So we're gonna tape around everything else. Okay, after taping this up, I realized something. I'm not gonna put tape over the fly wire pillars. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it still, but go over it back in black. That's much easier. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get the spraying. We're gonna use our Rust-Oleum color shift. You can buy this off of Amazon. That's how I usually find mine. That Galaxy Blue. You can already see some of that color shift happening right there. You can see it on the swoosh. We need more sunlight though. It's kind of, oh, is that a package for me? Well guys, sadly the sun is down. Well, not down, but it ain't as bright as it should be. So I came inside to see how that color shift is shifting. See that purple come down to that blue to that green when you get it low. But you can kind of see the color shift. I think I might do the midsole in this too. We'll see how it looks when I take this tape off. All right, so I'm thinking I might hit the midsole with the color shift too. F it, we going all color shift, baby. I don't care anymore. Let's just go crazy. Let's just do it.
Let's go!
24 hours later.
All right, it's sunlight time, and look what we have here. You can see it. See it's blue. Let me go with that purple. Come back to that blue. We got that purple. Yeah, that color shift hitting hard with sunlight. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do what I said I'm gonna do, which is I'm gonna put those pillars in black, and I'm thinking I might actually hit the air bubbles with some paint splatter. So as you can see, I added the black pillars on the fly wire gaps. I'm gonna add an ice blue paint speckle on the air bubble. Then I'm gonna call it a wrap on these. once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video on these Mbappe remix joints. Yeah, man, originally this was gonna be a quick custom. I was just gonna hit the upper with the color shift, but then I started looking at it, my mind started racing. I was like, yo, I gotta throw it on the midsole too. So I threw it on the midsole, added some paint splatter for some contrast, and yeah, came out with this. So like I said, sometimes that's how I operate. I'll see something and I'll be like, yo, that's how I'm gonna do it, and then I'll look at it, my mind start processing. I'm like, yo, I gotta add some more JSB to it. So, you know, that's what I end up doing with these. And yeah, I like how they came out. But yeah, man, simple changes, but they look better than they originally did, at least to me, for my pair. So, you know what I mean? Sun ain't out, you seen the color shift. It's pretty simple to do, it's not that complicated. I mean, all you need is the Rust-Oleum color shift, some tape, and just, you know, be careful, you know what I mean? Just spray it up and throw on some paint splatter, and boom, there you go. So yeah, that's what I came out with. A little quick Mbappe remix. I don't know what to call these, but I think they're dope. I think they're cool. They're easy to do. You can do them too if you got a pair. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay updated whenever I post a new video for y'all. All right, if you mess with it. If you ain't mess with it, you ain't got to do none of that. But stay tuned. I got more projects on the way. Peace.